Alright, this is the Dryfire app. First thing required is downloading the app. It's at googlecode.com. So take your browser there. By the way, in the upper left corner there's a purple box, and that's what Opera is blocking. So over at Google Code, in the search box, type in Dryfire and search for that. That's the name of the app, Dryfire, and that'll bring up the link to the app. And here we are at the app page at Google Code. And in the left column under Featured Wiki Pages, click on the download link. That's the download wiki page, and there's all the text. And the paragraph that starts off, it is a zip file located on my Dryfire folder or on my Google Drive. Click on the zip file link. Open that in a new tab. And this is the zip file over on the Google Drive, and these are all the files and folders in the zip file. You get to see them here. In the upper left is the menu. Click on File to bring up the file menu, and click on Download to download. Okay, so here's the Save As box or window. I'm going to put it in my Apps folder, and part of the window is missing because of how I made this video, but you can see this is the Save As folder. So I'm saving it in my Apps folder, and now it's downloading, so let's skip to the end here. Alright, we're almost at the end. Alright, so the file's downloaded, and I'm going to open the folder, which is the Apps folder, the My Apps folder, and scan it with Microsoft Security Essentials. And it says no threats were detected. Again, this is only part of the window you see here because of how I made the video. So now I will close Microsoft Security Essentials because the zip file is not a threat. And I will extract it. So now we are extracting all the files and folders that are in the zip file. If you want to know what they are, just go to the README wiki page. It explains them. Okay, so the extraction created the Dryfire _R25, which is the current version, the current revision folder, and the Dryfire folder. Then in the Dryfire folder, I'll click on dryfire.exe, which is the application, and it will start. And it says, whoa, do you want to run this app? Yes, I do. I trust me. So here we are. Here's Dryfire. And the second tab up there is Set Up Target. I'll click on that to set up the target. The target right now is a beer can. I'll change it. Let's scroll. There's a head, hips and head, paper plate, torso, beer can. I'll go back to the hips and head target and select that. The target distance is 25 yards. Now I'm going to select my distance from the computer screen. I need 30 feet, and that only goes up to 18, so I got to change the target to 50 yards. And that'll make the target a little smaller. Now I should, yep, I get 30 feet. Okay, and I need 30 feet for my scope. The target up time, I'll change that to 6 seconds. Target down time, I'll leave that at 5. And practice. Now the practice tab comes up with the target in it. There's the head and hip. Now it's down for 5 seconds, then it will come up again for 6 seconds. And that's how the app works. I can go back to set up target and select another target. I'll select the beer can. Click on practice, there's the beer can. And it's off for 5 seconds. It'll come back on for 6. It'll just keep doing that. That's the app. That's it. Thank you.